in this video, you will learn how to make a plant-based dinner for Father's Day. So here's what I have. Fried rice and summer roll.
So yeah, we got the cold rice, shallots, ginger, garlic that are minced or finely chopped, salt and pepper, sugar, liquid amino acids or
Soy
sauce, and the star of the show, the basil pesto.
Yep. Do you have the heat on?
Yes, the heat is on.
Okay, go ahead and put in the oil. Grease the...
More.
Yep. That's good.
Okay, and then I'm going to throw all of this.
Yeah, all of them in.
Our little aroma mix.
You might want to get the heat a little bit higher.
Here, let me get one. Get all that goodness in there. Just stir it around a little bit.
Yeah, just get that to be golden brown, and then we'll add in the rice.
So as you can see, the onions and stuff and the garlic and the ginger are browning up quite nicely, and you can really smell the aroma that they kind of give off too, especially the garlic mixed with the ginger. Very nice. Yum yum. So when that happens, I'm going to add in the cold rice. Just going to dump her in. Ugh.
That seems like a lot, but that's for all of us, plus you're taking some of it home too. You want to use 2 of those guys.
Sure. I'm going to throw a wooden one over here.
Okay, Francine, that looks pretty good. So I would start to add seasoning to the fried rice.
Okay.
So go ahead and add about 1 spoon of the salt and pepper. That's a lot. Sorry. Maybe less than that. Less. Yeah, that's good. Go ahead and mix it. Mix that up real good. I'm going to grab the sugar. I'm going to help you. Yeah. Same amount of sugar. And then, as you mentioned, the star of the show is the basil pesto. So as soon as you think all the sugar and the salt pepper has mixed well together with the rice, go ahead and add in the star of our dish here.
How much?
Probably about 2 spoonfuls.
Like this is good?
Yep, 1, and then add in another one, and then just start mixing.
Okay.
That's good. Smells really good, huh? So with this pesto, I think our neighbor, Caroline, she said she used walnut as the nut to mix it all together.
To bind it?
Yeah, to get it all bind. The pesto that we made this week, we used mint instead of basil, and we use almond. So whatever nuts you have at home, I think it's perfect. I like walnut as well as almond. Pine nut would also be good as well. That looks pretty good. Okay, I'm going to help Francine finish off the fried rice. So I'm just going to add in probably about what is that? 1 tablespoon
Sure.
of the soy sauce. And then mix it up really well. Smells really good. I love the combination of nuts, basil leaves in here, garlic, ginger. There's a bunch of stuff going on. Lots of flavor going on in this fried rice. So with fried rice, because I didn't measure the sauce, so what you want to do as you go through, you want to take a little bit, taste it. I want a little bit more soy sauce. This is our plant-based dinner for Father's Day. So I want to make sure that it has the right seasoning and it's a little bit salty. We're not serving this with any type of meat. We're serving it with a rice paper roll. So it's just fried rice, tofu, summer roll. This is a vegan meal for the dad that just don't eat the steak. We already made the steak dinner. So this is just another option for all those dads out there that don't eat steak. So we want to have really good flavor in this rice and a little bit saltier than normal. So that's why I add in the extra soy sauce. So here you go, Francine. Why don't you taste it and let me know. For the tofu, this is what I'm using. You can use the tofu that you purchase from the store and brown it and fry it up to get it to brown. Or you can take a shortcut, which what I'm using. I like this because it's really firm and you just cut it out and it's ready to roll in a rice paper wrap. So it's really quick and simple way to add protein to the rice paper wrap. Thursday, I'm gonna slice up a couple of these tofu right here, the packaged tofu for our summer roll. So continue with the vegan meal for dad. I'm gonna go ahead and make a rice paper wrap. Dip the rice paper in the water very quickly. Don't let it soak for too long. And I'm using this as a place mat for the rice paper so it won't get stick on the board. And then add in my green leaves. I have spinach, mixed green. Anything that you have at home that is green and soft, that's fine. Vietnamese herb. These are called the perilla. This is the fish mint. More mint. And then I'm going to add in jicima, a couple of the jicima guys, a couple of the cucumber guy, and then the tofu, a couple slices of the tofu. Add in the dua, which is the pickle carrots and pickled daikon. Top it with more mint. Here. And then for crunchiness, I'm adding crushed peanuts. Oops. And then we'll go ahead and secure this. Fold it in, one end, the other end. Fold it just like you would fold a burrito. And here you go. Here is our summer roll for dad, a vegan summer roll. We'll cut it into 4 pieces. Put it on a plate for dad. We already made him the fried rice. Hopefully there is a better way of presenting this. But I saute garlic, shallots in a pan, and I add in hoisin sauce, peanut butter, but if you're at home and you don't want to go through all the trouble of making a complex peanut sauce, the 3 ingredients you're going to need is hoisin sauce, peanut butter, the sriracha, and then mix it all together. And you have yourself a peanut sauce.
Equal parts?
Equal parts, yes, correct. And this is our vegan dinner for Dan. Happy Father's Day. Yay.